There are certain ingredients and dishes that makes Kumudu's face light up instantly. Siyambala or tamarind leads the list, closely followed by Kakulowo, crabs and Isso, prawns. It's such a pleasure seeing her happy face whenever we cook Isso Thel Dala or Sri Lankan style prawn stir fry, also called deviled prawns. In an earthen vessel, to hot oil the prawns are added and fried briefly. Into the well made in the vessel, curry leaves, pandan leaves, green chilies are added and stir fried. Again, a well is created, garlic and onions added and fried. Tomatoes are added, followed by cinnamon and cardamom. Everything is mixed and fried. Next, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, crushed red chilies and black pepper is added and mixed well. Soya sauce, tomato ketchup is next added and mixed. Finally, moringa leaves are added to aid digestion and cooked for a couple of minutes. Isso Thel Dala or Sri Lankan deviled prawns is a dish you cannot miss trying. Do cook and thank me later.